Come today in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to turn off text messages pop-up on this device. So first you should go to the settings application, and now just tap here to the apps and notifications. Here I go just to the notifications, and you'll see here the messages application, and just to disable the all message notifications, tap here on the switcher, and that's it. And if you want to turn off again the messages pop-ups on your device, you just scan here, tap again on the switcher. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.